Hey Walter, Sam Hersom here at Prime Mercedes in Scarborough. I just want to make you a quick video of the van we're talking about, the 12 passenger, so you can get a better idea of what you'll be purchasing. It's always better to see things in person rather than just pictures, things like that. So we'll start here, the 2019 Sprinter passenger. It's a 144, so again, 12 seats. It is the 3.0 turbo diesel with the 7-speed transmission, so you're going to have plenty of power. 4-wheel drive as well, so driving in the snow, in terrible weather, you're going to feel safe and sound along with your passengers. This is one of the more premium vans. As you can see, we have the chrome accents up front. I'll give it a really nice sharp look to it against that selenite gray paint job. This particular vehicle does have the 360-degree camera, so parking won't be an issue, and I can go over that once we get inside. The 16-inch premium wheels, I know that's something you were really wanting to give the vehicle a nice sharp look. Take a quick look inside at the seats. Again, we do have that leatherette, something you were really interested in. That's a really nice look. Premium headliner. Really makes things pop. We get around the back, you can see the dual doors here. Open up all the way 180 degrees. All right, now let me take you inside and show you a few things in there. All right, now that we're inside, I'll show you a few things in here so you can get a better idea of it. Nice and warm. Again, with that black interior, the leather, I know that's something you wanted over the cloth interior. Gives it a very luxurious feel. 12 passengers. There are USB charging ports in each row, so your guests can charge their devices if need be. Cup holders down below for them, same thing. Little things like that give the van a really nice flow. Up front, we have Mercedes-Benz user experience, the M-Box. It's their new infotainment center, and it is all touchscreen, extremely responsive. One thing I did want to show you is that 360-degree camera view for parking, and of course the front view, rear view for backing up, and side views. Very helpful working in tight spaces. Dual zone climate control for the front and the back. As I mentioned, 4-wheel drive, power driver and passenger seats, heated driver and passenger seats, automatic mirrors, folding mirrors. Does have lane keeping assist, blind spot, everything you could ask for. This van has it. Now let's get together, talk about it, and we can make something happen. You can get me on my cell, 207-831-7391. All right, thanks.